Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Quick question, what do I have in common with this 560 SEC? Well, look closely. Look at that. And look at this. Yeah, we need some help. He's just gorgeous with girls. And here she is, the 560 SEC, and just like me, she's starting to get some crow's feet right around the eyes. Okay, this is a little past, let's see. Okay, I still have stuff from the brake pad change from the other video under my fingernails. So, but anyway, this is the issue, okay? This is what I think dates these cars, okay? Yeah, the eyes. We're also going to talk about the possibility of some new shoes. Hidden in that car, could there be some shoes? I don't know. Okay, there is, and I'm going to show you a little bit later on, and then you guys can help me decide what shoes she is going to wear. But we're focusing on the eyes first because I want to show you what I came across in the junk yard. Take a look at that. Yep, I was there getting parts for the ML, and I came across a 500 SEC just sitting there. I don't even think it was listed in the vehicles on the website yet. And I saw that, and I saw the gorgeous headlights. Had to have them. I think they were very inexpensive. I'll put the price up right here. Okay, yeah, that's how much they cost me. And look, I brought them home. And look how gorgeous, okay? So what we're going to do first for this video, we're gonna take this, put it right there. See how much, ooh, yes. It's gonna be gorgeous, okay? So let's get these headlights off and we'll see about fitting the new ones. Let me show you how this is gonna happen, okay? Super easy. We have, this is a, what is this, a 7? An 8 millimeter. Okay, we're going to remove that. We're going to remove this, and watch this right here. Okay, because this one piece has to come out. Okay, this is another 8 millimeter right there. You got to remove your headlight wiper washer, and watch. All you have to do, watch. See that little clip right there? Oh, look, it just, see, that's ingenious. Okay, so you fold it down like this, and then you unscrew. Once again, it's another 8 millimeter. So we'll get this all undone. See, there it is right there. This kind of slides out, and look at that. How cool is that? Okay, let's play some music and I'll see if I can get these off. I still don't know if there's a bolt underneath. There could be holding on this part, okay, the motor for the headlight wiper. I think it's too large to come out through this opening, so I think this may have to come off. And there's just, once again, see, 1, 2 little 8 millimeter bolts. Okay. Have to admit that was so much easier than I thought. So let me take it step by step, okay? So we did remove this one and this one, 2 8 millimeter bolts, okay? Then I removed the 8 millimeter bolt here, and there's one right here that goes through there, okay? You see how this kind of fits together right there? Yeah, and then I just left this detached. Then underneath, just like I thought, there are 2 bolts, like right here and right here. This can stay on. This will stay on the vehicle, and I'll show you in just a second. And then to get the turn signal out, this was pretty smart. I really thought this was kind of smart. See this little wheel? It goes right here, and then these things just kind of, watch out, cord, get out of the way. These things just kind of slip right into those slots, okay? At the other end of this, there's a plastic nut. Okay? So all you have to do is take it off. Here, I'll show you on this other one. Okay, so that's on. You unscrew that, and then the blinker comes right out. This is a better view of what it looks like. This is why I try to get as many pieces as I can when I'm stealing or visiting a junkyard. Okay, you turn this. See how this kind of moves now? You take that off. Come on. Come on. It's a long bolt. Come on. There you go. Okay, so that's off. Once that's off, this will just slide up and out. Just like that. Okay, then you have one electrical connector there, one there, and one on the side. So we have one here. We have one there that just slides out of that housing, okay? And then we have the one that goes into right there, the turn signal, okay? Then this thing just slides out. How easy is that, okay? So I'll carefully put this right here, and then I'm going to have to remove these two bolts, and then we're going to slide this back in, and hopefully it's just going to go right in there, picture perfect. I'm going to kind of clean in here for a little bit too, but you guys don't have to watch that. Okay. And in true monkey wrench fashion, the very definition of the words right there. Look at the difference, okay? Here's the old, here's the new fancy European. Okay, you see something different there? See how that is white and on the corner, and it has 5 plugs and 2 vacuum lines, 4 plugs and 0 vacuum lines. So, what does this mean? Yeah, this means I don't know if it's going to work or not unless I figure out how to rewire it. Okay, so apparently Generation 1 and Generation 2, between, I guess it was 83 is where this one came from, and this is a 90. Okay, so something is amok, because that's not going to work. Okay, there are 2 connectors here that work. Well, let's check. Where's my turn signal? Okay, there's my turn signal for the original one. And what does the turn signal for the new one have on it? Okay, this is a little different too. That only has 2. Okay, and here you can see one of the vacuum lines. Well, isn't that just a dandy? Isn't that just dandy? Dagnabbit. Okay, so Mike gets to Google. Mike is going to Google and figure out what the heck is going on. So we're going to put this all back, and then the video is not a total bust, okay? We're going to stay positive. We're going to keep smiling no matter what life throws at us. And I'm going to show you the shoes, okay? So the eyes are not going to get fixed today. I'm sorry. If you know the reason why, okay, or if I can rewire those so I get these fancy European headlights, let me know. Please leave a comment for me, and I would certainly appreciate that. If I have to sell these, well, cha-ching. Yeah, because these are really expensive on eBay, okay? So let's put this all back together, and then we will show you what's happening right here with the shoes. Stay tuned. right, so I moved the car. I want to give you guys one look at these shoes. Okay, these wheels right here. Do you like them? Yay or nay? All right, look closely. And I'm going to walk over here to the other car. I'm going to bring two back. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait.
Legitness.
Oh my goodness. All right, let me switch the camera. Oh, baby. What do you think?
Oh,
you like them? Huh? Do you like them or no? I got these on Craigslist. I think that's gorgeous, baby. But I want to know what you think. Look. Okay, that one's a little off. Okay, so there we have option 2, or just in case somebody wants to stick with the chrome that it came with. Okay, there's option 3. So 1 is the original, 2, come on, let me show you 2 again. Look how pretty. I'm jumping over curbs and bushes and everything. Okay, here, let's get artsy fartsy. Look at that. Huh? You like it? Yes. Yes, please. Okay, the tires don't fit those wheels, so I have to get new tires. Okay, but look at that. I think that is a big difference. Or is it too much? Yeah, look at this.
Oh, hell
I don't know what
no.
happened. Yeah, look at that. These tires, I don't know. This guy was going to put them on GTI, Volkswagen. Said it looked great. Hey, he followed me. Love it. I just don't know what the tires are doing on those big wheels, but I appreciate you selling them to me. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I hope you watched the video. See? Okay, so what's it going to be? Here's 1, here's 2, or should it be 3? Leave the comment below. And I'm sorry, our freshening up didn't work. Yeah, I tried. I really tried. Okay, so that is another video for the 560 SCC, the 126. I think this is going to be the most popular car that I have purchased to date because I've gone up 150 subscribers since I did this one video of just bringing it over here. So I'm getting a lot of comments on this. Please share. I think that's the key to becoming YouTube famous, if that's possible for Monkey Wrench Mike. I don't know, but let me know what you think. Remember, we have option 1, option 2, and option 3. Okay, which is better? Which should I go with? And for the guy that sold me the wheels, thank you very much. I love them. All right, that's going to wrap it up for now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.